The future is foldable. What's up guys, it's time to talk about the inevitable, which is Apple releasing a foldable device in the future. A foldable iPad/iPhone hybrid. Based on the latest patent information, it proves that it is real. Apple has full plans for it and we could see it in the very near future. Now currently Samsung is the king of foldable smartphones, already released two major foldable devices, a clamshell Galaxy Z Flip and the tablet/phone hybrid, the Galaxy Fold. Then there are other companies who have also released foldable devices such as Huawei, LG, TCL, Motorola. With the current success of the Galaxy Z Flip, it may be time for Apple to step up the game. So this came out just recently. It's a follow-up to the foldable patent that we saw last year. There are some new things discussed here which are similar to how Samsung has approached their foldable devices. This patent highlights the tablet/phone hybrid foldable solution. It discusses the foldable display layer and the cover layer for its protection and also different folding configuration. Yes, 3 stages of foldable device. Stage 1 is the unfolded stage, stage 2 is the intermediate stage in between, and then the stage 3 is the folded state. The term cover layer is mentioned, which is going to be a layer to protect the foldable display. As you have seen with the Galaxy Z Flip and the Galaxy Fold, Samsung has this plastic layer to protect the foldable display. Here in the Apple patent, it discusses a bit different material for that instead of plastic. So the material could be made up of glass, sapphire, and ceramic. As for the display technology, it could be an LCD or OLED panel, which means if Apple wants to release a cheaper version of a foldable device, they could use the LCD display, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna go OLED all the way when that happens. Once again, this is an update to the previous patent of foldable iPhone that came out last year. Usually, Apple never does something big or risky first off. They always see how others do it and if there is a demand in the market for such product. And with Samsung taking the risk and breaking the boundaries and being actually successful at it, the sales of Galaxy Z Flip are going great. It's a testament that the market is actually ready for foldable devices. It's definitely the next big thing and seems like Apple will bring its own foldable product in the near future. Not this year for sure, maybe in 2021. But what is definitely coming this year is the iPhone 12 series. We got some existing new details, but a potential delay can happen because of coronavirus. It has already affected the launch of the iPhone 9, which is supposed to happen this month, and this could further affect the 5G iPhone launch as well in September. As for the leaks itself, the most exciting new leak is regarding the camera. According to Pine Leaks on Twitter, Apple is testing a 64 megapixel sensor for the iPhone 12 Pro models. This high resolution big sensor is the new thing with smartphone cameras, as we have seen so many Android phones using big sensors. This could again help bring in more light to the sensor and improve sharpness. In addition to this, Apple is also testing night mode with ultra wide angle and front camera lens. This is something that they can bring to the existing iPhone 11 series as well. Now for the future of notch, Apple is working on some prism design to house the Face ID sensors in the upper bezel. This is completely in its early stages. It could happen in the next 2 years, but right now the notch is here to stay. So all in all, the foldable display patent confirms that the plans and the behind the scene work is going for this product in the future. As for the iPhone 12 series, the camera will be improved further. The notch elimination plans are in the works as well for the next years, which means future of Apple could be very exciting if you are an Apple fan. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited are you for a foldable product from Apple? Like I said, it is inevitable. The patents are the proof it's gonna happen. Drop your comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.